Good morning. How to complete 2020 Form 940 FUTA tax return, employer's annual federal unemployment tax return. In this session, we are going to ID the business. So when you are required to file Form 940 for 2020, you pull out the form, and you can either file online if you want, or you can complete the form on your computer, print it out, and mail it in. And we have multiple videos in this playlist related to 2020 Form 940 that will guide you, that you can use to complete your form. So first, enter your employer identification number. If you are required to file FUTA, you should have an employer identification number because you will need it. Even if you are a sole proprietor and you need to file FUTA, that means you have employees or staff members that you pay income to. So you have to you have to get EIN number for your business and have it here. So employee identification number section, you enter your business EIN here. Now your social security number. Name, now your trading name. You enter your name first and last name on the line for name. You, the owner of the business, so proprietor or not. Trading name, if any. So you will enter your business name on the line trading name. In our example, we have L.L.C for the test problem we are using. If you are a sole proprietor and your trading name is the same as your name, you might leave the trading name section blank or enter it again. But it's very crucial you enter your name and your EIN number. Address, on the line of address, you enter your business address, street number. In the city section, you add the city, you add the state, and you add the zip code. And let's read the test problem we are using to fill out the Form 940. So you own a business called L.L.C. At the end of 2020, you pay yourself $100 in compensation. You withheld federal income tax, social security tax, and Medicare tax. What tax does L.L.C owe? What forms to file and when to file them? In this session, we are filing Form 940. L.L.C is required to file Form 944 and Form 940. We have a video on Form 944. If you are required to file the annual form, you can look at that. But if you are required to file quarterly form, is 941. So you have to file the form that when you get your EIN, when you request your EIN, the form that IRS mentioned in a written letter is what you need to file. And the 940 FUTA tax is an annual form. So, and in this session, we are just going to cover the business identification information. So when you enter those information here, what it's very important to do is just to go to that's page 1. You go to page 2 and you enter on the top of page 2, you enter your name, not your business name, your name, and you enter your employer identification number on the top of page 2, and you scroll down to page 3, and page 3 does not have that, so it's going to be page 1 and 2 that you are required to put your name and your identification number, your business identification number on. So it's good to do that when you are completing the business information session, so that you don't forget about it. So to the right side of the business information, you are asked to provide a little bit of information about your business as of type of return you are trying to file. Is it an amended return? Is it a successor employer? Is it non-payment to employee in 2020, or final business close or stop paying wages? If you sell your business, then it will be a deed that you will check for you that that sold the business, and the new employer will check B when they are doing theirs, but you will file to just report wages you pay for the part of the year that the business was yours. So you'll check D to make sure that that's your final return. But if you didn't pay any salary to any employee in 2020, you are just the only owner, the only employee in your own business, and you didn't collect any income, therefore you don't owe FUTA tax, you can check the box C. So that means you'll have 0 tax to report here. And when you didn't pay yourself any salary, you owe 0 tax, you still need to file Form 940. If it is a form that is mentioned on your EIN letter to file every year, you have to file it even if your tax is 0. And that's all we'll cover in this session. We'll have more videos to cover the other part as well. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Thank you for reading our blogs. Thank you all that subscribe, and we thank you very much for your comments. I'm Afiavi Ojune Liberman, creators of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, Liberman Consulting L.L.C podcast, ninassoap.com, our blog, and we do have online stores, ninassoap.com for natural products, liberlabel.com for custom apparel, liberoutlets.com for retail store, and liberdownload.com for digital products. Thank you.